everyone, welcome back to my classroom. In my today's class, I will be teaching you about what is an adjective and what are the different kinds of adjectives. First, let me tell you what is an adjective. An adjective is a word that describes or adds more meaning to a noun or a pronoun. It tells us what kind, how many, which one or whose something is. That means an adjective tells us something more about a noun or a pronoun. We get to know something more. So that is an adjective. For example, in a red apple, the word red is an adjective. Why? Because it tells us the color of the apple. If we ask question to the noun, apple is the noun. How is the apple? The apple is red. So we are getting the answer red. That's why here red is an adjective. Now let's come to different kinds of adjectives that we have in English grammar. There are mainly 6 kinds of adjectives. What are they? They are adjectives of quality, adjectives of quantity, adjectives of number, demonstrative adjectives, possessive adjectives and interrogative adjectives. Now let's see what is adjective of quality. These describe the nature or quality of a noun or a pronoun. Quality of a noun or a pronoun means what kind of. For example, beautiful, tall, clever, etc. These are few examples of adjectives of quality. I'll make it more clear to you with the help of few examples. Sentence number 1. Annie has a beautiful voice. Now see here, Annie. What kind of a voice Annie has? Beautiful. Next, New York has many tall buildings. So here, tall. What kind of buildings? Tall buildings. So tall is adjective of quality. Next, the clever fox hid behind the bushes. What kind of fox? Answer is clever. Next, adjectives of quantity. Now this adjectives of quantity is little similar to adjective of number, but there is a difference. For quantity, we cannot count the number. That means it is used for uncountable objects or uncountable things. This shows how much of something is being referred to. Example, some, little, much, enough. I will be telling you more about this with the help of few examples. Look at the screen. Sentence number 1. We need some water to carry. Here some is the adjective of quantity. Why quantity? Why not number? Because we cannot count water. Water is uncountable now. That's why. Next, the car gave us much trouble. Now much is the adjective of quantity. Tara gave enough food to the beggar. Here, enough is the adjective of quantity. Next is adjective of number. These indicate how many or in what order. For example, two, several, many, first, etc. That means we can count. This adjective is used for countable nouns and adjectives of quantity is used for uncountable nouns. I'll make it more clear to you with the help of few examples. Look at the screen carefully. Let us see the sentences. She has 2 pets. You ask question how many and you get the answer 2. So 2 is the adjective of number. Many friends helped him. Here many is the adjective of number. Annie can speak several languages. How many languages? Several. It can be counted. Tina was the first student to complete her work. So here first. Next is demonstrative adjective. These point out which person or thing is meant. For example, this, that, these and those. So this type of adjective is used to point out or show things. Example, this pen has blue ink. Here this. My cousin stays in that house. That is the adjective, demonstrative adjective. Distribute these chocolates. These. Those clothes are dirty. Here those. Next is interrogative adjective. What are interrogative adjective? These are used with nouns to ask questions. So this type of adjective is used with the nouns or pronouns to ask questions. Example, which color do you like? So color here is noun, which color? So here which is the adjective, demonstrative adjective. Whose painting is this? Whose? What question did the teacher ask? What? Next is possessive adjective. What are possessive adjective? These show ownership or possession. That means to whom does it belong? Example, my, your, his, her, their, etc. Example, we went to his house. Whose house? His house. So here his is the adjective. Our car needs repair. Whose car? Our car. Next, your house is well decorated. Whose house? Your. Now, how to differentiate between an adjective and a pronoun? There are few words which are both used as adjective and pronoun. Look at the sentences on the screen. That book belongs to me and that is my book. So, in the first sentence that is used as demonstrative adjective and in the next sentence that is used as demonstrative pronoun. So, how do we differentiate? Let us observe the two sentences carefully. What do we observe? In the first sentence, we observe that is placed before. In the first sentence, the noun that book is placed immediately before it is not noun. So, which is the noun here? A word is placed before a noun. Then but in the second sentence, it is not so. Adjective. So when that book belongs a word to is placed me or an adjective is that placed, is an adjective because it is qualifying or describing the noun book. That book belongs to me. But in the second sentence, it is not so. So this is all about adjective and kinds of adjectives. Hope the topic is clear to you. Now, if you find this video helpful, then do like, share and subscribe my channel. So, meet you in the next class. Till then, bye-bye.